Today we're going to review proper nouns. Proper nouns are the special names of people, animals, places, or things. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Let's look at some examples of common nouns. Neighbor, drink, pet, state, road, country. These are all common nouns because they're general. They don't start with a capital letter. They're not specific names. Now let's look at some examples of proper nouns. These are special names for people, animals, places, or things. Carissa Smith, So Fruity Punch, Fluffy, Florida, Main Street, China. Notice that all of the proper nouns start with a capital letter.